Well, hello again, my friends. Are you ready? Did you like my sound effect there? Yes, I've got my own sound effect department here. Dave McDonald's Quarantunes. Getting a little sillier as we go along, aren't we? Yes, we are, Mr. McDonald. Yes, we are. Okay, Quarantunes number 34. We're chugging right along. I hope you're having fun. Hey, this morning, first of all, let me show you yesterday's colored artwork. Remember yesterday we created 4 silly characters. We used some simple shapes. We put them on the page, and then we just randomly created a character based on that shape. So I colored them. Thought you might find that interesting. Definitely an alien here, and this might be an alien too. Alien monster, doctor, whatever. But we use those simple shapes to create those characters. Hope you had fun doing that, and I hope you had fun coloring that as well. Coloring is a lot of fun. More fun than I remember. I just recently started coloring these a few weeks ago, and I thought, why don't I do this more often? This is a lot of fun. All right, for today. Now today, my friends, I had the opportunity to visit with some school friends that I know at a local school. That's my Westview peeps. And I got to do kind of like a Google meetup, and I talked to them about writing and illustrating, and they were 5th grade friends of mine. And I got to see their faces on screen, of course, because we're all separated, but we were all on screen together, and I thought, this is a lot of fun. Got to connect with some of my friends, and I saw their smiling faces, and I thought, maybe today on Quarantunes, we'll do some faces. Okay, so on your paper, go ahead, grab your pencil, and I'm going to divide up my paper like I did yesterday. I'll do it with a real dark pen so you can see it better. So we'll do, let's see, put a line across, kind of across the middle. We'll do 2 on the top. How about 2 on the top and 1 thing on the bottom? But we're concentrating on faces. So when I draw, again, simple shapes make super characters. We used that yesterday to make a whole character, but these simple shapes can help guide you as you draw a face. All right? Very helpful. So for example, we'll draw a face in this square right here. So I am going to start off by using a circle as a guide. So on your paper, give yourself a circle. Does not have to be a perfect circle. I go around several times till I'm happy. That's just the way I do it. And then we've got the circle shape there. And again, I'm going to be erasing these lines so I don't make them too dark. But we're going to divide up this circle into 4 sections with 2 slightly curved lines. One that goes up and down, one that goes across left to right. So up and down, we'll put a slightly curved line there like that. And then across the middle like that. These lines are going to help guide us as we draw the face. All right, they're not part of the face. They just help us draw the face. All right, this line that goes across here helps us to place the eyeballs. So I'm going to place an oval here and an oval here right on the line. 2 eyeballs. I think I'll have pupils on the inside. Go ahead and draw the circles. All right, and maybe some eyelids at the top with some curved lines and some eyebrows. All right, eyelashes. They're not eyebrows. It's been a long day, my friends, already. Mr. Dave, get your anatomy straight here. These are eyelashes. Okay, a little nose we'll draw, just maybe like a pointy little nose, and maybe a smile like this. Could open it up. Smile, curve, and then open it up with a curved line, okay? And we can put the teeth across there and our tongue. And we'll get to details later. Okay, so we've placed our features. Our eyes are resting on that line. Our nose is kind of right in the middle where those 2 lines meet. And obviously your mouth goes below your eyes. But watch this. The shape of the head is not a circle, but I'm using that circle as a guide. Look at, curved line there. And then kind of bring this in at that kind of an angle. And I bring this up like this. Where this line meets this circle, that's where we're going to put our ear. So an ear is like a letter C with a little fold at the top. All right. And let's see, maybe some hair on this character. Well, let's do a big swoop of hair with a curved line there. All right. Curved line there. Oh, she's going to have big, tall hair. All right. I'm just kind of constructing this hair with some curved lines, as you can see. I'm not really following any pattern. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, a neck, maybe with some two lines and a collar. All right. So let's see how this works out. Again, we used the circle, but the circle isn't really the shape of the head. Okay, watch. Okay. And I wonder if that hair might come, sure, come down here like this a little bit. Okay, so there's the ear. All right, hair. Swoop across the front. Swoop on the top. Generally, shape of the hair. All right, so we've got the hair. Let's do the eyeballs. Oval shape, eyelashes, eyelashes. Pupil. See if we can get that little reflection in the corner. We sure did. Okay, big teeth here. And maybe tongue at the bottom. Fill in around. Nice expression. Okay, and then maybe the neck. Like that. Okay, so you can see. Dry that ink off a little bit, right? Go to erase our pencil. Now what we're erasing is that original circle with those reference lines. You see it? All the original simple shapes that got us started. When we sweep that off, you can see there's our character. So you saw how that circle shape kind of helped us, right? Okay, real quickly, let's draw another one based on a rectangle shape. So rectangle, like that. All right, rectangle shape. Okay, so let's do this. Slightly curved line there, dividing it up in half. Well, not in half, but it goes top to bottom. Another slightly curved line, and again, these are just places to let us know where we're going to put the character's features. So there's an eye. I'm going to do the eyeballs different on this one, just some pupils with some eyebrows. And let's see the shape of the head. Just kind of round off the bottom, but I am going to still use that rectangle shape. Here's the ear. Again, starts where this line meets the rectangle. Starts right here, letters C. Right? Okay, nose, right there in the middle, where those two lines crisscross. And another big smile. All right, curved line for the smile. Drop down. And instead of going all the way up like the last time, stop right there and do this. How about that? And then put the tongue in. All right. And so now we'll do a hairline. Here, let's do this. Hairline. Boom. There we go. How's that look? Okay, we'll ink that one. Get that one going. Again, there's that rectangle shape that we used. As a basis. And these simple shapes, you can choose all different kinds of simple shapes to be a start. You could even do a triangle if you wanted to. Okay, smile. Hope you can see this all right. See that teeth, row of teeth on the top? Little curved line creates the tongue. Then go ahead and fill in with your pencil or your pen around that. Cool, huh? All right, hair. Something I have very little of, if any. And let's see, neck, collar, little shadow. And then what we can do is, if we want to fill in the hair, we're going to make the hair black, but we're going to give it a little highlight on the top, as if the light's kind of shining on the top. Right? There we go. That's pretty cool. A rectangle. All right. You know, let that dry before we erase our pencil. Now one more down below. So let's see, we have a circle, rectangle. Let's do a kind of a flat oval. A flat oval. Like that. And again, kind of more extreme, more curved to divide that up and give us our reference lines, right? Two eyeballs, little nose, big smile back here, maybe the tongue hanging out. Okay, the shape of the face is going to be like this. I'm going to cut it in just a little bit, shear it off, I won't use this back part as much. All right, but we will put the ear right here. And then what we'll do is create some hair. Let's see. Let's do hair like big swoopy hair. Big swoopy hair. Okay, let's not stop at let's add a body. So again, simple shapes. Just put on like a little rectangle here. Coming off, he's going to be running, so that's why he's kind of leaning forward. All right, he's running. He's got this hand out straight. So a little straight tube. It's not an elbow macaroni, it's a spaghetti noodle, right? And let's see, his hand will be just kind of like that. Maybe his other hand is outstretched as well. Like that. Okay, he's running. Okay, at the bottom here where the pants are, do this. Make a half circle. Give yourself what would be where his pants start. Okay, there's a leg out with an oval for a shoe or a sneaker. All right, come back like this, up like this, and another oval. He's running real fast. All right, let's get him started to ink here. I'm going to start with his hair. Because it's all loopy, I'm going to turn the paper like this. Just make it easier. There we go. Okay, almost getting there. Again, we used 3 different basic shapes to get our faces. And then we use those reference lines up and down, left to right, to give us indications as to where to put the features of the face, right? He's got little freckles here. Okay, arms. Doing these kind of going fast. I don't want to keep you too long. Arm. And body, shirt, right? And let's see. And we could add a lot of details right now. I think I'm running out of time. Oh, give him a shadow. And what's important if he's running, we got to have these motion lines, right? Straight lines that come off the back with those curved lines that run through it. And then maybe in the front, a couple motion lines, put the horizon line back here. All right, let's do some erasing and see what we got here. We already erased these shapes. Let's get this one going. Again, we're just erasing the simple shapes that we use to get started. See how that one cleaned up. Awesome, very nice. That's pretty cool. And then our running character. I wonder what he's running for. Maybe he's running to get back to school. He misses his friends, like I'm sure you do. This gets old after a while, and we want to get back together and see our friends and our teachers, right? Classmates, librarians, music teacher, art teacher. These are all people that we're not getting to see much of unless they're on screen. And so you probably anticipate getting back to school, so that's where he's running. All right, so we use some simple shapes to draw some faces. I hope you had fun today. Yes, okay, well, until next time, please be safe, stay well, and take care of one another. All right, see you next time.